Hey guys, I'm very excited for this tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website and host it for absolutely free, no charges. It is through a website called Github, very popular coding website. What you'll have to do is set up an account with GitHub and create a new repository. After you go through the process of creating a new repository, you'll be at this stage. Let's go. So I'm going to create my repository, demo GitHub pages. So it's been created. It's asking me a few questions. Essentially, do I want to import the code, so on and so forth. I'm just gonna create a new files, and then my first file, enter in file context. This is gonna be a index.html file. We're just gonna go real simple and do hello world. Ooh. Okay, h1 tag, and it will just say hello world. And then we will commit to the changes. Yes, create index.html file. So we have our index.html file. Now the question is, how do we then publish it? So we will go to settings, we will go to pages, we will go to action, GitHub actions. After we're in GitHub action, we're gonna configure to a static HTML page. We can just press continue because it's just going to look at our main folder. That's all going to be set. That's all going to be done. We've confirmed it. Now what the process is going on, and I'll show you guys, is that right now it's actually building the page. So we're gonna have to wait for a bit and then it will build a page. But essentially with this, you'll get absolutely free hosting. You're not gonna have to pay anything. And if you have just an informative website, you can host that for your customers to see. I will talk about some of the downfalls of doing this. But yep, the website's up and running. We can visit it. So this is a real website that anyone can visit on the internet. I can send you the link. It works fine. Obviously, not great customization. Now, one of the issues is the actual URL. It's gonna be .github, which doesn't always look as attractive for your customers, but you can change that. You can put in your own custom domain, and that requires a bit more configuration. But if you just really quickly want to get a website up about your products, about your information, so your customers can see it, using GitHub pages is a nice and free way to do it. You pay no money and it's there forever. No one's going to take it down. That's my video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.